Alright, so this is so cool. I feel like I had to make a quick little video on it. This is something I feel Android definitely needs to copy and re-implement. Now, some Android devices can do this, but the mainstream ones cannot. Now, you see my Apple Watch charging and you see my iPhone charging, right? Now, I can ask my assistant what the battery percentage is for each device and she will tell me. Alright? I can't do that on certain Android devices. I used to be able to, but when I ask my Android devices the same thing, it says it doesn't have that feature or it doesn't do it in this fashion. But let me show you real quick. Hey Siri, what is my Apple Watch's current battery percentage?
Battery is at 85%.
And what is my iPhone's current battery percentage?
Battery is at 25%.
You see how easy that is? Thank you.
Don't mention it.
And then it puts itself back to sleep when you say thank you. That's another thing that certain Android devices can't do. And that's also something that other assistants like Alexa can do. So there are certain features and functionality that are better on different OSs that I do wish was universal across all the OSs, right? Because number one, you can't say thank you or a closing phrase on Android and have it just put itself back to sleep. And number two, you can't just ask certain Android OSs for your battery percentages for your devices and have it tell you. But these are things that you can do for other assistants on other OSs, and it works seamlessly as I've just shown you guys. Anyways, quick little video. Just wanted to put this one out here. Let me know what you guys and gals think. Let's talk about it. Catch y'all on the next one. Have a good one. Peace.